Alright, today I'm going to tell you how to bypass the VATS system in a Pontiac or a GM. I've got a 95 Pontiac Firebird, and I need to bypass the vehicle anti-theft system. What I did was I replaced the ignition switch in the car, and the new key switch that I have just comes with a blank. And basically what you do is you take that into the dealer and they cut you a new key, and it'll have this chip in your key. So you need this to start the car. If it doesn't have this little chip in there like this, if I would just put this in the car, it wouldn't start. So the deal is there is a resistor in this key, and I'm going to show you actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the semi-easy way and the super easy way.
Now.
Okay, so in the key, there's actually a resistor in there. And a way to tell how much resistance there is between the key, you would take an ohm meter, turn it on ohms, 20K works, and you put one prong on one side of it, one prong on the other side, and then get towards the meter there. So I'm reading 9.5. Hang on, this is kind of tricky to do. Okay, there we go. I'm reading 9.5 ohms. So one way you can do that is, you could take a resistor, because you've got 9.5 ohms of resistance. So you can, it's either plus or negative 0.5 leeway you have. So I've got a 10 ohm resistor here. So what you could do is you would just cut this wire, take your resistor, you solder one side onto one wire, one onto the other, and you could plug that into that part underneath the dash. I found a simpler way to do it, and I think a lot of you guys are going to like this. You put the key in, and what I've done is, my wires were actually broken, so I soldered them together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and plug this in underneath the dash. If you've replaced the key switch in your steering column already, you'll know what I'm talking about with this wire. You got to feed this down the column. If you haven't done it and you don't know how to do it, there's plenty of YouTube videos out there on how to replace this ignition switch. I'm not going to go through that. I'm just going to show you a quick and easy way to bypass the vehicle anti-theft system. So here's what I did. I'm taking my key, even though it doesn't work right, it's still got that, and I'm going to turn it. I'm going to plug this in underneath the dash where this plugs in, and I'm going to tie wrap this underneath the dashboard. So now when I use this key, I don't have to have a chip in there. I don't have to solder a resistor in there. I can just put this key in, start it up, and she fires right up. Let me tell you a quick and easy way if your ignition switch is still good. What I mean by good is, I mean your key still goes into the switch, and you can turn it to the on position. Just leave it on, plug it in underneath the dash, tie wrap this underneath the dashboard somewhere, and then you can use this key. Simple, easy. I've actually done it. I pulled this out of the car just to make the video, and maybe I'll shoot another video of this plugged in and the car running, so you see how easy it is. It's a lot better than a lot of other videos that are out there. Guys are saying, okay, well, find a bunch of resistors that will equal what your key is. You know, some of them are less, some are more, and then you got to find resistors. This is simple. You just put the key in, you plug it in, keep it underneath the dashboard, you got your new ignition switch. Voila, there you go. Nice easy tip. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time.